Why is it that we can truly care about someone and still lose them? Have you ever felt like you were doing everything right, but the person you love still feels far away? Most of us grow up believing one thing: love is enough. But the truth is, it's not. People don't lose relationships because love is missing. They lose them because understanding, respect, effort, and maturity are missing. And relationships don't break in one day, they slowly fall apart because of small things we ignore. Welcome to the channel. Today we are not talking about the fairy tales or fake advice like just communicate more. We are going to talk about something real: how strong relationships actually work, and how you can build a connection that feels safe, calm, and real. Before we go ahead, there is a special surprise waiting for you on this channel. So go and visit. I wanna tell you now. Just check the channel page after this video. Go. So let's talk. Okay, let's come to the point. Why relationships fall? If you want to fix a relationship, you first need to understand why it falls. Think about it like this: a car does not run forever just because you bought it with excitement. It runs because you take care of it. Same with relationships. Love is just the reason, but effort is what keeps it alive. Feeling does not just disappear, they slowly fade. And when effort stops, consistency is what keeps love alive. But most people make one mistake: they expect love to do everything, and because of that, even strong relationships slowly break. Now, in a moment, I will share a simple 4-step framework that can really change your relationships. But before that, if you are getting value from this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It helps this message reach more people. And if you want to go deeper, I have explained everything in my book, How to Build Strong Relationships. It's simple, practical, and easy to follow. You will find the link in the description or in the About section. Okay, so let's talk about what is the 4-step framework. Okay, now let's keep it simple. If you want a strong relationship, focus on these 4 things. First, emotional safety. This is the base. A person should feel safe with you. Safe to speak, safe to share feelings, and safe to be themselves. If someone feels judged, they will slowly shut down or cut it down. Second, trust and respect. Trust is built over time through actions. But remember this: respect is even more important than love, because love without respect becomes unhealthy. And number 3, honest and kind communication. Most people argue to win, but strong relationships do not work like that. You do not talk to win, you talk to understand. And silence, it can damage our relationship even more than fights. So, no silence. Number 4, consistent efforts. You have to keep showing up. The small things matters the most. Checking in, appreciating, giving time, that's what keeps the bond strong. Okay, now let's go deeper. One big reason relationships fail is ego. Ego says, I am right, I am the best, but a strong person says, this relationship matters more than my ego. And one more important thing, you need to work on yourself, because sometimes we hurt people not because of them, but because of our past. Don't hurt someone who didn't hurt you. If you control your emotions, you become a safe person to love. And now, the end of the day, your relationship decide the quality of your life. Strong relationships don't just happen, you build them with effort, awareness, and care. Do not forget to check the surprise on the channel page. And if you are serious about improving your relationships, check the book link below. Okay? And today, just do one simple thing, make one person feel important. I will see you in the next video. Love you, my viewers.